average black bear in our area are between 6 feet and 7 feet squared, although bears up to 7.5 feet are not uncommon. Typical skull size is between 18 to 21 inches. Hide quality of both spring and fall bears is exceptional, with little to no rubbing most years. Black bear numbers are the highest recorded to date in British Columbia, and the population densities in Arcadia are no exception, allowing for excellent hunter success rates. A polar bear can eat 100 pounds of blubber in a single sitting. Ringed seals are the most accessible, especially to younger bears and females. Male polar bears also hunt larger bearded seals. When an adult bear is in good shape,